multi-trips annual plan options provide insurance coverage for. Yeah. That's medical. Yeah, it's not that expensive anyway. Yeah, because I keep clicking. I'll click one more time and see without that. Because I thought I'll go to President's Choice. It's cheaper, but it's probably because last time she's only there half a time. It was $25 I paid for it. Okay, let me read.
Opponent, wait, inflict damage to your opponent. Equal to the number of face-up continuous spell cards and field cards times 3. It's called Gem Flash Energy. So if there's field cards or any continuous.
Okay, so okay now I got this for passenger name now. Shell, please don't do that.